In this lesson we'll look at the formula that Pythagoras created and how he came up with it. So remember, Pythagoras was around about 570 years before Christ, so a long time ago, about over 2,500 years ago, and he investigated this relationship with triangles. Now to do this, there's a variety of means, but I'm going to look at one of them. Now, if you see this wee right angle triangle in the middle here, and we have these two squares coming off each side at the top and this third square at the bottom. What we can try and do here is we can try and fit the yellow square and all the green squares into this white square. Remember, this is a right angle triangle up here. That's a wee right angle there, if you like. So if we take this here and we drag that in, and we take this here, we should be able to fit all of these into the white square at the bottom. There. And the last one here. Okay, so in this wee right angle triangle, what we can say is we create squares coming out either side. We take this yellow one and this bigger green one, and we can fit all of that into the bigger one at the bottom. So if we think about this in terms of areas, now if we label our triangle A, B and C here, now the green one and the yellow one fitted inside the white one here, but the green area is really A times A, so suppose that could be written as A squared here. I'll just write it badly with my mouse. So that could be A squared, A times A for the area. And this area in the yellow could be B times B, so that could really be written as B squared. So a B, again a bad one. And this area at the bottom is C times C. Take that as C squared. Now in terms of areas, we said that we could fit the yellow one and the green one into the white one. So area 3 is really equal to these two added together. If you add those two areas together, you get the white one because they fitted inside this. So we could write that like that. Area 3 is equal to area 1 add area 2. And if we take this into a kind of more formulaic sense in terms of the Pythagoras, if we see C squared here, then that's equal to the area of this one, A squared, add on the area of the yellow one, which is B squared. And that's really Pythagoras' theorem there. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, where C, A and B are the sides on a right angle triangle. Okay, and what we can do now is we can calculate one side of the right angle triangle if we know what the other two sides are. And that's what we'll do in the future lessons.